Welcome to Miss Pour. I'm Dan Brent.
And I'm Brent Wentz.
And today we continue our cocktail series featuring some of our favorite Michigan distilleries.
Michigan distillers and products.
Yep. So today we are doing a Cherry Capital Maple Smash featuring Twisted Tat Vanilla Maple Syrup and their Maple Bourbon.
Both very fantastic on their own.
So to start this, you will take some cherries. Make sure you get nice, fresh, sweet cherries.
Yep.
I know a couple of the farm stands around carry frozen Michigan sweet cherries year round. Just don't buy,
Make sure they're sweet.
Yeah, just make sure they're good, like Michigan sweet cherries, not just cheap cherries.
Yeah, it won't be the same.
Aim at that jigger. We're gonna do a half ounce of lemon juice here. Do a full ounce.
Yeah, that was
Do a full ounce and a half of the vanilla maple syrup.
Because it's delicious.
Yeah. I definitely gotta get.
Yeah,
more.
I mean you can adjust this to sweetness. Like if you don't want too sweet, put less in.
I definitely gotta get more of the vanilla maple syrup. Apparently.
Yep. Yeah, you're getting low.
And then we need a good heavy 2 ounces. Good heavy 2 ounces. Now this does call for
a lemon.
It does call for lemon wedges. We use lemon juice instead.
Yep.
We don't have any fresh lemons. It also calls for mint. We're not huge mint guys.
We're gonna skip the mint.
We're not huge mint lovers in cocktails.
Yep. All right.
We don't have a lot of fresh mint. Let's pour it over. So we muddled all the ingredients, the cherries, the syrup, lemon juice. Give this a nice shake for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Seconds. Wow.
You're going to shake it for 10 minutes. I don't think so.
All right. Let's see how this is.
And this is a single, so this isn't going to look like a lot.
Yeah.
Split up, but
this recipe is
one
for
cocktail.
one serving.
All right. Did you not have the soda water?
Not yet. And then at the end, you top it with soda water.
Again, sweet to taste. If the less you put in, the sweeter it'll be. It's a very nice color. I love the color on that.
I'm not gonna lie. I think we still have some mint left over from.
Probably, I might not get rinsed out.
I rinsed it out.
No, you're still.
I still smell the mint.
Yeah.
Which might play it in favor.
Yep. Oh, that's good.
There we go.
We tried this one before.
Yeah.
And we had to redo it because
it's a little hard to judge when you're making one cocktail for two people when we normally make four for two.
But
I think
this nailed it.
Yeah, we nailed this one.
Yep, much better. I think we had a little too much water in the last one.
Yep.
And the cherries were not sweet enough.
No.
So, but we fixed those problems. We put a little more syrup in. This is
cherries.
Fantastic. Yep, sweeter cherries. That is delicious.
Yep. So, thumbs up from me. I think it's
thumbs up for me, too.
Thumbs up from Brent.
Yeah. I was a little critical on the last one, I'll be honest.
Kind of hurt my feelings.
He cried a little bit. So, we had to cut the video because...
I almost choked on a cherry.
He literally choked on a cherry.
But guys...
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Like it.
Go check out our friends there at Twisted Tat.
Yeah. I'm getting a lot of that maple. It's so good.
Tell them we sent you. Go check them out. I mean, they're right there on Broadmoor.
Yep.
Even if you don't like bourbon.
Yeah, there's syrups.
Or whiskeys.
They got so many products.
So they're also owners of the Twisted Tat Sugar Shack.
Yep.
They make so many different maple syrups.
A lot of different options.
Their granola.
The granola, yep.
It's one of my main breakfasts on the
Yeah, he
weekends.
eats it all the time.
Yeah, and vanilla bean infused syrup is my topping for that normally.
Yep. Good stuff.
So, guys, go visit them. Tell them we sent you. And as always, guys,
Happy pours.